Yes, viewers, welcome to Timas TV. We are still on vector analysis, and if you've been watching my previous videos, you actually know that this is like a series. So, this section we want to look at vector products. We are going to consider vector in still three dimension. We have J, we have I, and also we have K. So we have two types of vector products. We have dot product. We also have cross product. So these are the types of product that we have in the vector analysis. So from here let's consider dot product. Dot product. We are to understand this. You should note that following the coordinates, I dot I is the same thing as 1, and j dot j is 1, and also k dot k is 1. So it means that I dot I is equals to j dot j equals to k dot k, which is also 1. Please take note of this. Also, should note that I dot k is 0. Please also note that I dot j is also 0, and k dot j is also 0. So we're going to have something meaningful if we are concentrating on the individual coordinates. That is for dot product. So for the cross product, we have cross product is always put as this. So cross product, if we are given something like this, for example, we have A to be this plus this plus this, and we have um, B1 plus B2 plus B3K. So we should have this note that we always take it in the clockwise direction. So we are saying that J dot I is actually K, and also I cross K is J, and J cross I, sorry about that, K cross J is I. So, but the reverse is the case. If actually it is I cross of cross J, you have minus K, and K cross I is minus J, and also finally J cross K is minus I. So please, we have to be very careful of the coordinates that we are dealing with. So given this vector and this, we can actually have that this vector cross this is given as the determinant of, and you put the coordinates, I, this is j, and this is k. So you are very careful of which comes first. Now a comes first, so that means you can put the unit, the element 1, and you can put 2, you can put this 3, and finally we also include b1, b2, and b3. Please take notes of this, and, and also note that B cross. Okay, this also is going to give us um, this and K, which is B will come first. So this and 2, 3. You write A1, A2, and A3. So you can look at depending on this. So we can actually carry out the principle of determinants. So this is giving us um, taken from here. We will have let's consider this now. We have this and we have this, so we have to have this times this. So that will be B2 dot I3 minus A2 this. You include I. This is this, and also we put minus this, so this will cross this out. So you have B1 dot A3 minus A2 B3, and you include J. Finally, we have this count this, so that is giving us B1 dot A2 minus A2 B2 put J. So that's a technique on the cross multiplication. So let's take this example. On this example, we have if A is equals to this I minus J plus K, and this is giving us as 2I plus this plus K. We should look for one cross multiplication between this and this, and also look at this and this, and finally look at this dot product of this and this. So that is before us. Let's look at how we can use that principle to solve it. So we are given that A is I minus J plus K, and also B is 2. Please correct this. This is I and this is J. Please correct that. 2I plus J plus K. So the first one is cross multiplication between this, and this is giving us this, and this. So taking up A element first, so this will give us 1 minus 1 and 1. So for the B, 2, 1, 1. So this is actually equals to this. So this time this minus this time this. So we have a minus 1 minus 1. So we have I as coordinates. So the next is crossing this and this. We have this minus 2. So you put this here, and finally we have um, 1 minus 2. We put k. So this cross product is giving us minus 2i and plus j plus 3k. That is the cross product between A and B. So the next is that we are also asked to look for the cross product of B cross A, and of course we're going to include the coordinates and B come first. So we're having 2, 1, 1, and also we have for A element we have this. So this is giving us this time this and this time this. So that will give us 1 plus 1 minus this and this. So this time this minus this. So that is 2 minus 1 j. And finally we are having this time this minus this time this. So minus 2 minus 1 k. So B and A is 2i. This is going to be minus j. We look at minus 3k. So if you look at the previous this, you actually realize that, conclude that this cross this is the same thing as minus b cross a. Please take note of that. And finally, we are asked to look for the dot product of both of them. So we have this dot this. So that is giving us that this time this. So that will be 1 dot 2 plus this time this. So minus 1 dot 1. Also this time this, we have 1 dot 1. Remember that this dot this equals to this dot this equals to k. So 1. So finally this dot this is 2 minus 1 plus 1. The answer is 2. Thank you very much. Please, I will want my viewers to look for the cross product between n is 2 this plus k, and n is 3 minus j plus 7k. Look at the cross product between this and this, and also this and this, and the dot product between them. Please put your answer in the comment section. Thank you very much.